So I'm gonna try and show you how the scalper works on the fast market. Okay, I'm not gonna comment anything because you gotta really concentrate when you're doing this. And so these were 5 trades I just made that were pretty good. Let's see if I can repeat this. Okay, I'm gonna be trading a breakout mode, so in the hope to get 4 ticks of profit against 13 ticks of risk. You see that one? It didn't go. Okay, didn't get a fill. Okay, so that was not a very good one. Okay, this was fine. Another one. Okay. Okay. So you pretty much get the idea of how this works. So I had one stop, hit, 1, 2, 3, 4, and what's it called? 4 wins, right? So pretty much I lost some money here and I got it all back right here, right? And the concept is basically places a limit order at the close, all right? And if that gets filled, okay, we are heading for a 4 tick profit, a quick scalp, all right, against the reverse bar.